I welcome you all to the MOOCs course on computer architecture. This course is designed for mainly electronics and communication engineering, ECE, EE, and EEE courses. In this particular course, we expect to cover various aspects of the computer design where you will see how we can make a computer faster, how our machine actually works, how the information data are stored there, and various other aspects. So before starting my lecture series, here I introduce myself. I am Arindam Chakraborty, faculty of Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Institute of Engineering Management, Kolkata, West Bengal. The lecture will span over 8 weeks, where we will cover instruction set architecture, processor design, arithmetic logical unit design, memory unit design, input output system design, and then we will also cover parallel processing and pipelining. To start with this course, we all know that computer has become part and parcel of the daily lives. We cannot disagree with this fact. We see everywhere computer, that is some kind of processing unit. When you think about a laptop which we use daily uses like tablet, mobile phone, intelligent appliances. So we need to understand how a computer actually works. What is there inside a computer? Therefore, we in a particular course we will see all these various aspects where the two term computer architecture and the organization will take care also. Therefore, before starting my course content, I will discuss where the processor will process to processor. Here we consider two separate zones or area. First one considered is an uncomfortable environment and other one comfortable environment. We'll consider air conditioner as an example. An uncomfortable situation like in the summer time we face about 35 to 38 degrees centigrade. This temperature was uncomfortable for us. For some relaxation, we usually use the air conditioner. If we use air conditioner, then temperature drop off in 25 degrees centigrade, which give us a comfortable environment. Now, here we consider a block which is processing unit. Within a bracket, we write processor unit. This processing or processor unit associated with the application. Here we consider like advanced scientific calculation for rigorous mathematical calculation. We are considering some biomedical instrument. We are considering smartphone, air conditioner, washing machine, smart TV, smart watch, set-top box. Now, like advanced scientific calculator, we consider various types of operation like signal processing, precisely image processing for biomedical application, noise cancellation, photograph or video capture and editing for mobile phone, control of temperature, humidity, cleanness of air for air conditioner, etc. done by processing unit or processor. This processing unit typically considered in digital form. Why we prefer digital? We know this is sophisticated in a small size, flexible, low power, etc. Now, comfortable and uncomfortable zone or area are typically analogous because of those are natural and all natural part or signal considered analogous. That is why we have required some extra unit or block. Here we consider the block name source and modification unit, destination and modification unit. Now the question is, which component are considered as source and modification unit? When we consider the source as a component which analogous like a sensor. As per definition, a sensor is a converter which convert non-electrical to electrical pulses like voltage or current in analogous form. The processing unit understands only the electrical pulses in digital form. So components we consider that is analog to digital converter, and under this modification unit we also consider amplifier for excellent electrical signal or healthy electrical signal. So the first consider analog signal, sensor convert to electrical, and amplifier amplify the healthy signal, and A to D converter convert analog pulses to digital bit in the input of the processing unit. So here just noted that with the basis on the application, other modification unit are also there. Similarly, components present in the output part of the processing unit, that is destination and modification unit, have D2A converter, actuator, machine, electrical machine. For example, if we consider air conditioner, we are using compressor, display unit, like example for the calculator or desktop monitor unit. Again, depending on the application, modification unit components are present. So now you understand what about the processing unit, why it is so essential for our daily life. Also, what about its features? As previously mentioned, the features of the unit sophisticated in a small size, flexible, and the low power. Now on this page we see the processor block. So under this processing unit or processor have three major components. If we consider a calculator as an example, then the first component we consider arithmetic and logical unit, that is ALU, for mathematical calculation. Then comes to next one, that is data and address buses with a memory element like internal register for storing and moving the data internally. And lastly, most crucial component we consider is the timing and control unit for the controlling the steps of the calculation we want. So processor has three major components, that are ALU, data and address buses with the memory element, and timing control unit. Here I consider the references. I am taken references from the Google. So therefore we have come to the end of the lecture, where we have to see how the processor come from processing, and what are the associate component present for the representing the application, and what are the essential element present the processor. Thank you.